Alright, this is moment of truth. First ever PC build. Oh, 2025. Just installed first AIO. Make sure everything's plugged in. Oh my goodness. We got power, baby. We got power. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. Oh my goodness, dude, it works. It actually works. Oh my. Yo, let's go, dude. Let's go. Yo. What's happening, bro? Oh, my fame just slowed down a lot. Oh, now they went back up. Now they went back down. Okay, I know what's happening. Alright. Okay, it's staying on this time. Oh, dude, this is actually sweet. This is sweet, bro. Dude, look at this.